Hey, what's up everyone? Wanted to hop on here, do a quick review, unboxing of my Lexivon triple square bit set because I am the proud new owner of a Volkswagen and I actually encountered my first set of triple square bits. Now this is not the first German car that I've owned. I know that German cars do have triple squares throughout the entire car. So anybody who purchases a German car should have a set of these bits. Now, these ones here, I picked them up because they were highly rated, and they are fairly inexpensive. They are the chrome vanadium bits, but most people actually confuse these with a Torx. As you'll see here, if you look into this, there's actually a Torx. I think has 6 or 8 points on it. Let me see if I get the camera to focus here. But these basically, actually, let me get a bigger one, make it easier. These ones here actually have 12 points on the star. As you can see that, if you can kind of imagine. It's basically 3 squares superimposed, and they kind of rotate them slightly. So that's why they call it a triple square bit. And again, if you own a German car, this is something that you are going to need. Again, you're not sure where. I can't tell you where the first triple square bit is going to be that you encounter on your German car, but it will be somewhere. The M8 is actually the size for these little lug nut covers. That was the first one that I encountered. I did encounter a lot of M12s on a BMW I owned years ago. Thought it was a Torx at the time, wasn't using the right bit. I stripped a fair amount of them out until I learned that, yeah, it's a triple square, but I did actually get rid of the car, so I didn't actually pick up a bit set then. But now that I have one, I'm not going to do that again. My second German car, and yeah, so overall, inexpensive bit. There's enough of the common sizes. This is all you're going to need if you're a hobbyist. If you're a professional builder or mechanic, you might need to get a bigger set than this. But this set, well, is enough if you are you're a DIYer, you're a home enthusiast, and I recommend that you pick up a set. Hey, real quick, if you like what you see in this video and you want to purchase one for yourself, I've left links to everything here in the description. And if you want more no-nonsense, no BS product reviews, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you don't miss one.